It's no secret to homeowners. Property insurance premiums have been on the rise. This as hurricane season starts in just 2 days.
And while efforts have been made to remedy the issue at the legislative level, as Taylor Toole reports, some in Acadiana are worried the issue will only continue and cost them big.
Probably in the last couple of years, I've been through probably 3 different ones. I had one of them was GeoVera, and they went from, I was paying like $2,100 a year to almost $5,000 a year. And they said that once after the storms, they wasn't covering nobody in Louisiana no more.
It's a story many in Louisiana say they can relate to. Rising insurance premiums, being dropped by their insurance company after several insurance companies pulled out of Louisiana following severe weather. While the state legislature has made recent efforts like the Insure Louisiana incentive program, bringing 8 insurance companies to the state, for people like Joe Fontenot who works offshore, it's still a struggle.
It's just ridiculous. I mean, for what they're willing to cover, what my house is worth and what they're willing to cover, the price ain't the same. Got to get better insurance companies, better insurance rates. You know, that's all there is to it. And a lot of people are just gonna end up starting moving out of state to go somewhere else where they can find cheaper insurance.
It's something Marcia Green, a lifelong resident of Franklin, has considered. Over the last several years, she says her home has been damaged multiple times by severe weather, but when it's time to file the insurance claims she pays for, it's never the outcome she expects.
The money that they gave me, it wasn't enough. After they take the deductible out, you won't have enough but to try to find somebody gonna botch it up. So you're paying the money, but they don't want to do the job. They're just to come out and do what they want and not what's right. So I don't think it's fair that they, just treat us like a nobody.
I took these points to the State Insurance Commission, a representative telling me some companies participating in the program have already limited their policy writing because they're overbooked. The commission reports a high demand for new policies for homeowners, exceeding the amount these companies can write, leaving many still struggling. Their best suggestion: to shop around for insurance at least once a month until you find a policy. And if you find one more suitable, getting a reimbursement for the months you didn't use in between. For Acadiana's News Channel, I'm Taylor Toole.